Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Samriddhi Malik and I'll be doing daily vlogs. I think you will like watching my channel because people nowadays enjoy watching daily vlogs. So yeah, here I am starting a new channel for you guys and yeah, keep on watching. So first, I think you should know me, who I am, and all. So I recently got married. So currently, I'm living in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, but I originally belong from Calcutta. My mom and dad, my in-laws, all are here. So me and my husband came to visit them 2 weeks back, and he had to leave early for work. I stayed back for more 2 weeks, and I'll be leaving on 22nd. So yeah, that is about me. And about the channel, I don't know. I thought that why not do something like a daily vlog or something which people might enjoy. I think I pretty much think that you will enjoy it. Fingers crossed. But yeah, like why not watch me do things every day and all. And when I'm here in Calcutta, every day something or the other is going on. So I thought that you will like it. And today I have a plan with my girlfriends in the afternoon, but rain is there to ruin it always. Whenever I want to go out, it's raining. I don't know why this is, but it is what it is. So let's see what happens. And as I go about the day, you are coming with me. And also, I'll be dressing up and getting ready. Not that I'm a pro in doing a makeup thing. Maybe I'm a little bit pro, sort of. But yeah, I'll be showing you that. And yeah, come on with me. So my eyes look really puffy. I don't know why. I think I have to wash my face with a face wash and all. I have to do my morning routine and everything, which I forget almost half the days. And when I remember it, I'm too lazy to do it. I don't know, just comment in the comment box that is it the same with you guys too? Because I don't know, I feel very lazy doing skincare and all. Um, but yeah, my eyes are looking puffy. I think it will be okay as I go about the day. And yeah, I'm waiting for my friend to come. She's on her way. Not my friend, actually, she's my sister, best friend, that kind of a thing, that girlfriend of yours. So yeah, and this is my mom and dad's place. And yeah. Hi, so I thought I'll just wash my face. I use the Face Shop Rice Water Bright face wash. I think it's a pretty good face wash. I feel very refreshed after I use this. So, yeah. So, that's my face after washing it. And the Rice Water Bright face wash is really good. You can give it a shot. And usually I use the niacinamide serum after this, but I forgot to bring it here. So I'll just put on some cream, moisturizer or something, and then wait for my bestie. So my best friend is here. She's coming, and I'm so excited, so excited. Staying away from Calcutta makes you miss people more. And after my mom and dad, I really, really miss her so much. So every day that I see her, I'm so excited. So yeah, I'll be showing you that she comes. Alright, guys. So she's here. Say hi. Hi. So her name is Deboshmita, and uh, she's my everything. Like anything happens, one call away. That is like literally one call away. And yeah, so this one's here. Another one is coming, and she's my school friend. Like uh, बचपन का not
प्यार.
प्यार but बचपन का दोस्त. So yeah, she's been with me since class 5. So yeah, she's coming. So I'll be showing that also. So yeah, we'll be getting ready now, we both. And come on, let's get ready. So I'm going to get ready right now, and I'll show you how I get ready. Also, I'll be helping Devo for getting ready. So yeah, come on with us, get ready with us, and I hope you will like it. I'm trying this NYX foundation for the first time. Let's see how it turns out. And that also without trying the shade, because NYX apparently does not have any testers in Nykaa stores. So I think they have pretty much given me the correct shade. I'll be understanding that more after I complete the look. So let's see. So I absolutely love the Smashbox driver's seat lipstick, and it's my absolute favorite. Wherever I'm going, 99.9% time you'll find me wearing this lipstick. So I also have a mini version of this. I think this was from the kit of Malvika, and it's amazing. Just wow. So I'll just apply it, and then you can see the shade. Can you see it? It's so pretty. It's extremely pretty. So she's using the Bellora lipstick, and as per her, it's amazing. The formulation is similar to Smashbox, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
And packaging is also like royal types.
yeah, sure. Yeah. I think it's similar to the packaging is similar to Smashbox. Yeah.
Smashbox, yes.
So you guys can try that out too. So yeah, now we are almost ready. We'll show you our final look, and there is light behind me, so you can't really see me. So anyway, let's go and check out our final look. So I'm ready. I haven't opened my hair yet because it's way too hot. Way too hot. I mean, I don't know if you can see, but I'm sweating like anything. And my friend, I told you about my childhood friend. She's here, and yeah, you'll be able to see her right. So yeah, my friend, as I told you, bachpan ka dost, not pyar, is here, and she's been with me since class 5. I think since 8, 9 years, more than that. Anyway, so yeah, 15. What are you saying?
Hello.
So her name is Ankita, and partner in crime, to literally partner in crime. We have done so many things together. We have so many memories, and yeah. So this is her. And
Hello.
how many times did you say hello, hello? Okay. So yeah, we'll be leaving in about 10-15 minutes, and we'll catch you up. So we have left, and we are in the car. I don't know if I'm audible, but and they are not switching on ACs in Uber and Olas now. So it's really hot, and yeah, he's here, and we're here, and we are on our way. So yeah. open cafe. You'll be able to see in a few minutes what cafe it is, and we all are really excited because we are leaving after a really long time. And yeah, so let's see which cafe are we going to. So we have reached here and we are waiting for one of our friends, and I'll show you where we are. So this is the place we are in, and obviously you guys know this is a famous Farzi cafe. So yeah, let's go inside. Thank you. So we are here at Farzi Cafe, and it's a beautiful place, amazing ambience, and it's already full inside.
Hello.
And thank God we had a reservation, otherwise. So yeah. So they have given this complimentary. I couldn't understand what name they told, but this is basically a shot which has mishti doi along with strawberry in it. So we are going to try one by one and see how it tastes. So she's trying the shot. Okay. How's it? Nice. Now it's her turn. She's having mine, by the way. Okay. How's it? Yeah. Since I don't eat mishti doi, so I didn't try this. But she said that it's nice. Alright, so we'll start eating now because we are extremely hungry. Let's try Guntur chili chicken. It's from where I live, Guntur. Let's see how it tastes, and yeah, I will let you know. Thank you. How's it? So now we have ordered tempura fried prawns, I suppose, and this is how it looks. We'll taste it and tell you how it is. Let's taste how it is. So the other friend I was talking about, she's here and she's 2 hours late. Yeah, we were supposed to meet at 12 and she's here at 2. I mean, so here she. So her name is Momita, and okay, so firstly she's a makeup artist, and okay, book kara mane she is going to be super late. Okay, guys.
Whenever is the function, book her 2 hours prior.
Yeah. So how are you liking the place? We've ordered this street style chicken chow mein, and we're going to try it. So let's see how it turns out to be. another mocktail. This is green apple flavor infused. Looks good. Now she has to try and tell me how it tastes. So we have come to dessert now. We have eaten quite a lot and we are full. So we have ordered dessert and we have ordered chocolate dirt pile. And this is how it looks. It looks mesmerizing. Can't wait to have it. This is how it looks. And we are going to pour the chocolate over it. Here is the chocolate sauce and we are going to pour it over it. So we have come to Metro Plaza and we just window shopped here, and this girl right here wanted to buy something. I don't know if she's going to buy, but if she does, I'm surely going to show you what she's buying. And yeah, she's with us, and Debo has gone to her fiance's place. So yeah, so she shopped a little from this shop in Metro Plaza. The name is Pretty Witty and it's a beautiful top. Whenever she wears it, I will surely post a picture. And yeah, it's a nice store. They keep Instagram trendy tops and all. So we are about to leave now, and I can see that man staring at us anyway. So yeah, that's it in Metro Plaza, and yeah, we'll be leaving and then I'll be showing the rest of my evening. So guys, before I leave on 22nd, I think that this is the last time I'm meeting her, and I'll be again coming, I don't know when, but of course we'll meet her then. So till then, bye bye from her side, not from me. Goodbye. So I'm back home and I'm really tired. I will just take my makeup off and maybe edit the video because it's my first time, so take some time, you know, I have to figure things out, how to edit and all. So I'll do that, and yeah, that is it for the day. I really hope that you like my vlog. So if you've liked my vlog and you've liked how I spend my day and you want to see more of it, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next vlog. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.